I don't think that's right. I feel like they should bring him back for justice.
Our 8 News Now investigators bringing you that woman's heartbreak after her daughter not only died, but the man prosecutors say hit and killed her is deported right in the middle of his criminal proceedings. Now that reporting raising questions about procedures within immigration enforcement or ICE. 8 News Now investigator David Charnes with new video and reaction from one of our top lawmakers. David.
In Ozzy, we told you how Metro Police arrested this 37-year-old man for hitting and killing a nurse with his car when he ran a red light. Well, just weeks after that arrest, ICE deported him to Guatemala, leaving his victim's family asking what happened to justice. Today, we obtained this new video from that crash from last June. It shows police testing Angel Franco Merida for impairment. He was not impaired. And today, I asked Democratic Nevada Senator Jacky Rosen about this case and if ICE, which a senator she oversees as a senator, should they get involved in these state prosecutions well ahead of sentencing and any potential prison time. Is it appropriate for ICE to take action on somebody here facing criminal charges in our justice system?
Well, first of all, what I can tell you is that we are a country of laws. And so if someone has broken the law, and we see in this case someone is arrested, car accident, what have you, and charged, they should be adjudicated here. They should not be deported. Now, ICE is out of control.
So is the deportation itself justice?
Well, he's going to live a free life in the other country or wherever he's going back to, or in any other case like this. And for the victim or the victim's family, do they have some right to justice? What are their rights to have their day in court?
And as we first reported, that day in court likely never going to happen because ICE deported this man right after that arrest. A judge granting him what's called a voluntary deportation just about 3 weeks later. And even after all that, there is a warrant right now for his arrest here in Las Vegas to continue this criminal case, even though the feds and that immigration judge deported him. It appears ICE is deporting people in similar situations, although the agency didn't answer any of our questions about all this. During sentencing that happen here in court, judges will warn all defendants about a possible deportation, but those deportations are likely occurring after the sentence is actually fulfilled. I'm David Charnes, 8 News Now.
David, thank you. Now, the charge of reckless driving resulting in death carries a potential prison sentence of 1 to 6 years. Now, there's no indication this defendant is serving any kind of consequence in Guatemala other than the actual deportation.